out your pattern. And one thing to consider when you are making your own pattern is definitely have your own scissors that are just for paper. You don't want to be using your fabric scissors because paper will dull them. When you're getting into pattern making, it's really important to have your own special designated scissors for paper because you don't want to use your fabric scissors to cut paper because it'll dull the blade.